One thing I've been asked for a number of times is a bit of a tour of Spartan. As there's not much going on right now, I thought I'd oblige. Here's the cockpit. Thank goodness it's painted white because it's absolutely boiling today. I've been camping out down there with my book and my iPad and just waiting for a bit of breeze to come along. We're going forwards. Obviously we've got our carbon rotating wing mast. Here are the dagger boards. Here's the roller furling on the front. Here's the bowsprit. Just let me show you the keel. Rudders. And here's the transom. Here's the little post at the back where the wind instrument is, and our somewhat tired looking Union Jack from New Zealand. That's come a long way. Up onto the back deck. Here's the main sheet, and of course the boom. That's pretty much the whole tour. I think you've seen Spartan from pretty much every angle there, and there's quite a few Portuguese man of war out here. Don't mind me if that's the only time we do that.